Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to add index column to a table. So index function will helps you to identify unique rows in a table. So first I will drag order ID into row shelf and order ID in row shelf. Now double click on this marks card and type index. So click on this drop down and click on this discrete to change this measure to discrete and drag this field in row shelf. Then you will get index column in the view. So another way to do this is create a calculated field and name it as serial number. Then you can just add index function in the calculated field, so which will returns the index of the current row in the partition. So click on OK and convert this calculated field to discrete. Then drag this field in the row shelf. Then you will get index. You have added an index column in your view. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.